Okay, I got my trusses built and they're up on top of the building now. I built them myself, and it did take a lot of time to get everything to fit just right and to make all the gussets. To glue them all together, cut the gussets, and cut all the boards to fit. I don't know, I guess you save a little money, but it takes a little time. But you get the overhang you want and the pitch you want, instead of just buying what's available. I don't know, maybe I would do it again. But that's where I'm at on the building right now. I guess anybody can do it, but like I say, it did take some time. Okay, that's it for now.